Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the details of the 2025 Ford Holland Tractor, a powerful and efficient machine designed to take farming productivity to the next level. Whether you're a professional farmer or someone who needs a reliable tractor for various agricultural tasks, this model is packed with impressive features that make it stand out in the market. Let's take a closer look at what makes the 2025 Ford Holland Tractor an excellent choice. Starting with the engine, the 2025 Ford Holland Tractor comes with a high-performance diesel engine that delivers exceptional power and fuel efficiency. Designed to handle the toughest tasks, this engine offers a horsepower range suitable for different farming needs. The advanced fuel injection system ensures optimal fuel combustion, reducing emissions while maximizing power output. With its robust construction, this engine guarantees durability and longevity, even under continuous heavy workloads. One of the highlights of this tractor is its transmission system. Equipped with an advanced gearbox, it provides smooth and effortless shifting, ensuring that operators can work comfortably across different terrains. The multiple speed options allow for precise control, whether you need slow, steady movement for planting or higher speeds for transport. The clutch system is designed for ease of use, reducing operator fatigue and enhancing overall efficiency. When it comes to hydraulics, the 2025 Ford Holland Tractor doesn't disappoint. It features a high-capacity hydraulic system that delivers consistent and powerful performance. This ensures that all implements, including plows, loaders, and trailers, function smoothly without any interruptions. The responsive hydraulic controls make it easy to operate various attachments, improving overall productivity in the field. Comfort is another key aspect of this tractor. The operator's cabin is designed with ergonomics in mind, featuring a spacious and well-ventilated interior. The seat is adjustable and cushioned for maximum comfort during long working hours. The dashboard is equipped with an easy-to-read digital display that provides real-time information about fuel levels, engine performance, and other essential metrics. Additionally, the tractor comes with modern conveniences like air conditioning, a soundproof cabin, and Bluetooth connectivity, making it one of the most comfortable tractors in its class. Another standout feature is its advanced technology integration. The 2025 Ford Holland Tractor is equipped with GPS guidance and precision farming technology, allowing farmers to optimize field operations with higher accuracy. The smart sensors monitor engine health and alert the operator about maintenance needs, reducing the risk of unexpected breakdowns. With connectivity features, users can access real-time data on their smartphones or computers, making farm management more efficient and data-driven. The build quality of the 2025 Ford Holland Tractor is truly impressive. Constructed with high-strength materials, this tractor is designed to withstand harsh environmental conditions and heavy-duty operations. The reinforced chassis and heavy-duty tires ensure stability and traction on all types of terrains, from muddy fields to rocky landscapes. The tractor also comes with excellent ground clearance, allowing it to maneuver through uneven surfaces without difficulty. Fuel efficiency is another area where this tractor excels. With its innovative engine technology, it optimizes fuel consumption, ensuring that you get maximum performance while keeping operating costs low. The large fuel tank capacity allows for extended work hours without the need for frequent refueling, which is a great advantage for farmers working in remote areas. Maintenance and servicing are made easy with the user-friendly design of this tractor. The engine components are easily accessible, making routine checks and repairs hassle-free. The tractor also comes with a diagnostic system that quickly identifies any issues, allowing for timely maintenance and reducing downtime. With Ford Holland's extensive service network, getting spare parts and professional support is never a problem. The 2025 Ford Holland Tractor is also designed with safety in mind. It features advanced braking systems that ensure quick and smooth stopping, even on slopes. The rollover protection system, ROPS, provides added safety in case of accidents, and the bright LED headlights improve visibility during nighttime operations. Additionally, the tractor is equipped with an anti-theft system, giving owners peace of mind when leaving it unattended in the field. For those looking for versatility, this tractor offers multiple attachment options, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. Whether you need it for plowing, tilling, seeding, or hauling, the 2025 Ford Holland Tractor adapts to various tasks with ease. The quick attach system allows for fast and effortless switching between implements, saving time and effort. Overall, the 2025 Ford Holland Tractor is a well-rounded machine that combines power, efficiency, and modern technology to meet the needs of today's farmers. With its durable build, advanced features, and user-friendly design, it offers excellent value for money. Whether you're managing a large farm or handling small-scale agricultural tasks, this tractor is built to deliver top-notch performance with reliability and comfort. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this review helpful. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on the 2025 Ford Holland Tractor, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more updates on the latest farm equipment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.